What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at VRS Design's Glide Pro and Glide Hybrid cases for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Now if you guys want to pick these cases up yourself, I will be putting a link in the description, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links when making purchases because it helps me keep purchasing products and reviews for you guys. So let's go and get started. And then here we have the Glide Pro case. This is a pretty nice protective case, and it holds some cards in its back, which is really nice. So there it is on the phone. Feels nice in the hand. It doesn't feel slippery. Buttons are clicky, easily accessible. They don't protrude off the case very much, but you can still feel the little bump. It also has some reinforcement in the edges it also has some reinforcement in the corners in case you happen to drop your phone and it hits one of those corners, it still will be protected. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it does add a significant amount of bulk to the phone, but you do get that card holder in the back. It's got these serrations to help with grip. It also has a nice prominent edge all the way around the phone's front. Got your little lanyard hole in the side here. If we look at the other side here, we have those serrations again, our power button and our volume buttons. On the bottom, we have our charging port, which is pretty recessed inside the case, as well as the speaker. On the back here, again, it's got that card holder, and it's got a really cool texture. Now, these two pieces on the top and the bottom here are real metal, which is a nice touch, and it's got that kind of industrial look to it, which I like. There's also a slight recession for your camera lenses, but when you put the phone on its back, it's going to rest primarily on the card holder anyway. And to open the card holder, it's really easy. All you need to do is kind of push a little bit on it, and it kind of flips open the rest of the way. Then you can just take your cards and put those in here. You can put up to 3 of these flat cards in here, just like that, and then just close it up. It's a very nice feature, especially if you don't like to carry your wallet or a purse around. You can put your 3 main cards in the back of your phone and just carry your phone around, which is nice. Now, if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, so the phone just sits too far away from the wireless charger because of the large bump in the back, but it's a trade-off, so you don't get wireless charging, but you do get to carry around your credit cards or whatnot. And if you're curious how easy it is to charge your phone, because the charging port is pretty deep inside, here I have a USB Type-C, just kind of plug it in. And there's no problems at all. The slot is also pretty deep to accommodate for some of these other thicker USB Type-Cs as well. So this is definitely a nice case, and I absolutely love the card holder on the back, and I guarantee that if you get this case, you're going to be messing around with this card holder just like a fidget spinner. At least I do. So this is a nice case, and I would definitely give it a thumbs up. And then here is the Glide Pro in the Groove Green. I think that looks pretty cool, and I absolutely love the contrast between the black, the silver, and the green itself. Looks really nice. And then here we have the Glide Hybrid. It's just like the Glide Pro, but this one has an added feature of a kickstand on the back. And it still has the card holder. Again, feels nice in the hand. It is not slippery. Buttons, easily accessible and clicky. Very nice. Again, if we look at the side here, it doesn't add too much extra bulk to the phone. We have our serrations on the side here, and as you can see, the screen has, and you can also see that it's got a nice raised edge on the front to protect your screen. On the other side, we have the same serrations, our power button and our volume buttons. On the bottom here, we have our cutout for our charging port and speaker. As you can see, they're still just as deep. On the back here, we have our kickstand, our card holder, the metal slots in the top and the bottom, the metal pieces on the top and the bottom, and that same little recession for our camera lenses. So again, it's got that really cool card holder that you can simply just slide your credit cards into just like that. And it's also got the added feature of that kickstand, which is nice. So you can stand it up in portrait mode, maybe watch some videos or take some Zoom calls And if you want to lay it down in landscape, you can do that as well. And then it kind of folds back into place with a little click. And you're all set. So now you have the functionality of the kickstand, and you can carry around your credit cards with you. Very nice case, very industrial looking, very cool. Absolutely love VRS Design's cases. And it also has some extra protection in the corners in case you happen to drop your phone there. The phone will be protected. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, this case will not wirelessly charge because it's just too thick. But you're trading off wireless charging for functionality. So if you need a case that carries your credit cards and has a little kickstand built in, the Glide Hybrid is definitely a case you're going to want to look at, and I would give this one a thumbs up. And here is the Glide Hybrid in black. I think that looks really sleek, especially with the silver accents on there. Looks really nice. So that was the Glide Pro and Glide Hybrid by VRS Design for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Again, if you guys want to pick up any of these cases yourself, I will be putting a product linked in the description so you guys can pick them up. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.